Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add a new device to your Amazon Prime Video account. Whether you just bought a new TV, tablet, or streaming device, this step-by-step 2025 guide will make sure you get everything set up quickly and without any confusion. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer or laptop and go to Amazon.com. On the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your Amazon account email and password, then click Continue. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step. Once you're signed in, head over to the homepage. On the upper left corner, click the All menu. From the drop-down, scroll down and look for digital content and devices. Now click on Prime Video. Once you're inside Prime Video, go to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From there, select Account and Settings. At this point, Amazon may ask you to re-enter your password for security verification. Go ahead and type it in to continue. Inside the Settings page, look for the Devices tab. This is where all your registered devices are managed. To add a new one, click on Register New Device. Amazon will then give you two ways to do this. If you're on a TV or streaming device, you'll usually see a registration code on the screen. Just enter that code here in your browser, and your device will be linked instantly. If you're on a mobile or tablet, you may be asked to log in directly using your Amazon email and password right on the device. Once you've done that, your device is officially registered, and you'll see it listed under your account's devices section. From now on, you can stream your favorite Prime Video shows and movies on that device without needing to repeat this process. And that's it. You've successfully added a new device to your Amazon Prime Video account. Super simple, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments which device you just added. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.